Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Live Lifestyle Life. I am Shormishta. Today I am going to show you how to make this easy chicken pakora. So let's get started. For making this easy peasy pakora recipe, we need some chicken, some soya sauce, some red chili powder, some cumin powder, some all-purpose flour, some salt, garam masala powder, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, and one egg. That's all we need for this recipe. So now we will mix in everything together. First I'm adding chili powder, then I'm adding cumin powder, then I'm adding garam masala powder, salt as per the taste, some lemon juice, some soya sauce. Then we'll add some ginger garlic paste. Now we'll marinate the chicken. After marinating it, we will add in the egg and all-purpose flour. Then we'll give it a good mix again. After mixing in everything together, it will look like something like this. Preheat your oil for 2 to 3 minutes before dropping in the chickens and let it fry. Until it turns into this beautiful golden brown color, and then take it out in a plate. And this is the final look of our easy chicken pakora. Serve it with some ketchup. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, be happy.